Duond bura mar ODM onyiero jatend Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka mosebedo ka wacho ni ODM kod UDA ni kod chenro mar donjore gi okang' mar walo commissioners manyien mag IEBC. Jagoro mar ODM Edwin Sifuna olero ni kaka ODM gionge kod teko mar walo jogo mabiro bedo jokanyo mag IEBC. Jotelogo nowuoyo bang' romo mar kuku mar ODM, romo mabende ne otelie gi Raila Odinga, kadwaro ni omiya put madhi nyime gi dayo dho jogo madwaro lemo go thuolo makare mar timo tijgi.
The party takes strong exception to recent unfounded allegations made by some Azimio la Umoja leaders of alleged interference by ODM in the ongoing process of reconstituting the IEBC. For the record, this process is being conducted in full accordance with the NADCO report. It is also common knowledge that NADCO was chaired by none other than the Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka, the leader of a Wiper party. Kenyans are fully aware that the inordinate delay in commencing this exercise was due to the failure to resolve the nomination of the Wiper representative to the selection panel. Following the support of ODM, both at the PPLC and in court, including affidavits sworn by our very own Junet Mohammed here, Wiper got its rightful slot, and as we speak, Wiper's nominee to the panel, Koki Muli, has been part of the process from the shortlisting to the ongoing candidate interviews.